Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is something a little bit different. We're going to be discussing selling your caravan or part exchanging it, and a few things that you need to take into consideration when putting your caravan up for sale. So just before we start, I just want to make clear I am not selling the caravan, nor am I part exchanging it. I'm very happy with what I've got. But you might be considering this, either selling it or part exchanging it. And there's some things that you need to think about. You could sell it via Facebook, or you could sell it in a classified ad. However, you might not want certain people knocking on your door, or you might not want them at your storage yard as well. So you may look at other alternatives, and an alternative, especially if you're part exchanging, you just do it through your dealer. You'll agree a set price and he'll take that price off the next caravan that you buy. But also you can sell back to a dealer even if you don't want another caravan. But with a dealer, what you've got to remember is they have got to pay their staff and they have overheads. So they're going to give you generally about £4,000 less than what your caravan's worth, in order for them to, one, pay the staff, cover their overheads and make a profit. So that's worth considering. Also, there are caravan agents as well. Now some of these are very genuine, hard-working people who are honest, and they can be trusted to come and give you a price for your caravan and pay you the money that is required. And the final one, which is probably the first one really in my opinion, is ask friends and family. They might be interested in buying your caravan, or they might know somebody within the family or a friend that is. So they're the options that I would consider when selling the caravan. So what about preparing the caravan? Let's discuss that now. The first thing you want to do when you're preparing the caravan is give it a good wash, and preferably give it a wax as well. And a first appearance when somebody's coming to purchase your caravan, even a dealer, it does send messages that this has been cared for and looked after. So that is the first thing that you would consider. So one of the tips I can offer you is this, is depersonalize the caravan. And one of the things is remove all the stickers that you've got, so that it's a blank canvas and it's ready for the next owner. After all, you are relinquishing ownership of the caravan. Even though you might have plenty of memories in it, people might not want your stickers as part of the deal. Now, as well as depersonalising the caravan, check the outside and make sure there's no damage. If these light lenses are broken, a dealer could knock you a good 500 quid off just for a light lens, and you might be able to replace it a lot cheaper and save you a lot of hassle and haggle, and you'll probably get a little bit more for your sale. So we've cleaned the outside of the caravan now. We need to turn our attention to the inside and make sure that the inside is cleaned thoroughly. Now if you've had pets in the caravan, make sure that you remove all the pet hair as best you can, because at the end of the day, the person that comes to buy your caravan, or a dealer even, might be put off by the fact that you've had pets. Not that they don't like your pet, it's just that they don't want dog hair or cat hair inside the caravan. So make sure that's all cleaned up and removed. I know a dealer would look at it and go, well, I've got extra hours to put into this to bring it up to a standard that I can sell it at, and they would knock you down on your price. Also, when you're inside the caravan, go around the fittings and fixtures and make sure that they're all in good working order. These will be checked by the person that comes to look at it, whether it be a private buyer or somebody like a dealer. They will check everything. So whilst we're on the subject of the inside of the caravan, also you want to consider, has it got any damp? Now if it does have damp, you need to be honest, because somebody might, especially a private buyer, might travel quite a distance to come and view it. And if you've not let them know prior to them coming, they're going to be pretty disappointed. In fact, some people can be quite angry because it's cost them money to get there to view it, only to be disappointed. So after we've prepared the caravan inside and out and it's nice and clean, and we've gone round and checked any minor defaults that we could fix ourselves, perhaps it might just be a screwdriver that's needed, we're going to turn to the documentation itself. Now if you've owned the caravan for quite a few years, you're going to have, hopefully, a comprehensive service history. Now alright, we've got the stickers on the front, but we also still get a document from the service engineer to say that it's been serviced regularly. You need to keep these, and you need to make sure you've got these at hand. You need to show them to a private buyer or a caravan dealer, because these are key elements. Now, if the caravan is Chris registered like mine is, if you sell to a private seller, it's down to you to inform Chris that you've sold the caravan on. Now, if you sell it to a dealer, it's completely different. They will generally sort that paperwork out for you. So just remember, if you have any paperwork or handbooks as well, make sure they're all to hand. Put them in a folder. It looks nice and professional, and it will help sell the caravan. So the final stage is quite simple really. You need to take some photographs, especially if you're selling on social media or you're going to be selling in some form of classified advertisement magazine. Now what I would recommend here is you take photographs solely of the caravan. Try not to get any other caravans or motorhomes at your storage yard in the shots, and also if you're photographing it at home, you don't want to be identifying your home. So try and avoid getting the front door in or the number of the door, etc. Just focus on the caravan itself. Also, when you're taking photographs, if you've got some key features within the caravan that might help it sell, like we've got these curtains as an example, make sure that you highlight that in the photographs, and also in your advertisement. Tell them the key features that you've got and why it's so special and why they need to buy your caravan. All these things will help it sell. Well folks, if you're considering selling or part exchanging your caravan, I hope this little video is of help. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you'll join us again, but in the meantime, bye for now.